There are different quality voices. Some are a poorer quality.
This is an example.
And some are better quality.
This is an example.
It's worth checking what voices are available with an app or device that you're considering using to see if you like the way the voice sounds, and also what range of voices are available. Sometimes it might be just a female and a male. Other times there are a wider range of voices to choose from. Sometimes additional voices are available as an in-app purchase. You may have banked your own voice. To use a banked voice within an app or device, you will need to check with the company you used what operating system this is compatible with to allow you to use it. You may also have banked some messages in your own voice. So these are audio files with whole messages recorded. Some devices will allow you to import these audio files into your saved phrases so that they'll be spoken in your own voice. Many don't have this option, so if this is important to you, then it's worth checking. Sometimes you might come across a word that is pronounced incorrectly. So the way that you've typed it, it doesn't speak that word as you would like it to be spoken. There is usually a way of doing a pronunciation exception. Sometimes that's within the app or sometimes that's on the whole device. And here's an example where you can see the name Siobhan and how that's spelt compared to how you would like it to be pronounced. So there's always a way of doing that if you're coming across those issues.
One thing to change within voice settings is whether you have your communication system talking as you type, for example, after every letter or after every whole word, or whether you only have it talking when you press the speech button within the package. So, for example, we can have it speaking after every word, like this.
After. Every. Word.
And when you do have it set like that, you can then, of course, also make it speak by pressing the speech button.
After every word.
Or within the settings of the package, or sometimes within the settings of the tablet that you're using or your phone, you can change it so that that's not switched on. So on this package, I just can turn it off down here. And now that I've got that switched off, it won't speak while I'm typing. But it does speak when I press the speech button.
Not speaking as I type.
So you might just have a personal preference about how you want that to be. One thing to bear in mind is that if you do have it speak while you're typing, then it lets your communication partner know that you're composing a message. But it does also mean that they might try and butt in and have a guess once they've heard half of the thing that you've got to say.